Hey guys, what is going on? So, I just made these nacho chips. um, all it is like tortilla chips, and you just put your favorite cheese on them, and then put some sauce on them, put it in a microwave, and it is what it is. But it's so good. And then I got some ginger ale over here, cause I'm trying to get this cough to go away. It seems like it don't want to go nowhere, but it will. Mm, this is good. I ain't had nachos before. I don't like nachos with the cheese when it's melted. I don't know why. You talking about when it's a cheese sauce? I don't like it. Everybody melting the cheese this way. Look at that. Look at that. Easy to make too, and it's good. I can't believe we're almost to a new year and people still killing people. I don't get it. We need more anger management places. But I think we do have them. People just don't want to go. Mm. Mm-mm. Good, good. My mom got me this cup. It's a smile is the best fashion accessory. I also got my juicer. I'm a juice today. What did y'all get for Christmas? Down at the churches down here, they were giving away toys for free. You just come there and get them. A lot of places, they want you to give your ID and stuff, but those places just come and pick out toys. You'll pick out a couple toys because you know other people are coming here. It's not fair to take all the toys. But some people are like that. Some people greedy. You always gotta give them a limit. You can only get like a mountain toy. You got greedy people out there. Okay, this is good. So remember on it gave me an idea because I remember on Step Brothers. Remember when at the first the beginning of the movie, he was making the nacho. That's what gave me an idea. Alright, let me try nachos that one. It's way faster than having to make a cheese roll. Good. Alright, yeah. I'm making chili today. I'm gonna turn on my favorite, one of my favorite YouTubers. While I'm cooking, I like to watch YouTube. What? This was good. Look at this shit. It look like a little hat, right? Y'all gotta try it. I'm telling you. It's good. Not no meat in it either. It's tasty. If I wanted to, I could put some chicken up in here. But I'm making chili. So yeah. And get all that up in there. Waste not, want not. Yo! I cooked that. We gotta go to the funeral now. That was good. Man, that was good. That was really good. I didn't think it was gonna be good because most of the time, when I get nachos, it be the like the cheese sauce. But I think it's better doing it that way. That was really good. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please like and subscribe to my channel and share with all your family and loved ones. Also hit that bell notification so you can know each and every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed new year. Happy New Year's to everybody. I hope you have some New Year's resolutions out there. Let me know in the comment section what you want new for the new year, because it's a brand new year and it's coming in pretty soon. Yes it is. So happy holidays to you. Happy holidays to you. Happy holidays to you. Happy holidays to you. See you guys. Bye. Happy New Year. Peace.